Yo, welcome back to the channel, guys. Hello YouTube. So today I'm working on an old client's car. So this car I worked on in 2014. So it's a Kia Picanto. Check it out. So the reason I was called was because there was a frontal accident that happened to the car, and the bonnet and the bumper was repainted. So I have done zero maintenance to the car since 2014, so it's been 5 years. I got no idea how is the paint condition like, but from a distance it looks pretty decent, still a little bit shiny, but from some certain angles I can actually see a haze on the paint. So the game plan for the car, guys, it would be to repolish the front bumper and the bonnet, and then do a decontamination for the entire car. So I'm not sure how is the condition of the coating, how is the condition of the car. So let's find out together. Hi guys, so I'm done with the car, and it was surprisingly faster than I expected, because the damages from the paint shop on the bonnet and the bumper was surprisingly easy to remove. It just took me half an hour to remove it. So I total spent around 2 hours on the car to fully decontaminate it, wash the wheels, wash the inner barrels of the wheels, clayed the car, as you can see in the cinematic sequence. Then I didn't record the polishing stage because I actually forgot to bring my tripod mount. I brought my tripod, but I didn't have the mount, so I couldn't mount my camera onto the tripod. So let me just show you guys how the car looks now. So the bonnet looks decent. The shine is there. Bumper. It's not too bad, guys. There are still watermark stains on the paint because the owner didn't want me to do the watermark treatment because she didn't have the budget for it. So I just basically decontaminated the car with of the stains and the tar spots and the road grime and everything that is not supposed to be on the paint, except for the watermark, because the watermark requires a slightly different approach. So I didn't do that because of the owner's request. So I guess that's the end for the maintenance on this Kia Picanto. So I guess like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel. So every Monday, Wednesday and Friday new video drop. So make sure you press the bell button on the right side of the subscribe button. And I'll see you guys soon.